What's going on, guys, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alrighty guys, so today's video is going to be pretty quick, and today we're going to be testing out this kind of new weed killer. It's called Spruce. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so this right here is Spruce. This is a weed and grass killer. So this is strictly for areas like around your mulch beds, driveways, you know, little what's it called? Can't even think. Pavers, stuff like that. So don't use this directly on your lawn because it will kill your lawn. So this one, like I said, I've seen it last year myself. I looked online, it did come out last year sometime. But this one I've seen a lot because it really promotes how safe it is. Now me personally, when I see stuff like this, I'm not sure if it's a bad or good thing, but I automatically think, okay, it's probably not gonna work that great. For example, I'm not sure if you guys seen, I did a video using vinegar to kill weeds. It worked, but just not that great compared to regular weed killer. But I seen a lot of ads and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try it out. I bought the little small bottle to test it out. It is kind of pricey. This is 10 ounces and I think it cost, I'm trying to remember, dang it, like $6-7 versus the one I buy mostly because it's cheap, Spectracide. It's like almost 4 liters for about $8 or $9. So it is a little bit pricier. So I wanted to, like I said, buy the small one, test it out and see how well it does. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Okay guys, sorry, not sure what happened to the audio, but pretty much what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to spray this weed right here that's closer to me with the Spruce, and the one that's further back, I'm going to be spraying that one with Spectracide. Okay, before you use, you're actually going to twist this to unlock it. Now we should be able to spray. Okay, so as I'm spraying, it's, I don't know, to me at least, it's giving me like a citrusy scent versus the Spectracide. It smells a little bit more chemically, I guess you can say. But yeah, according to this one, we're going to see results within 1 hour. The Spectracide, however, does say results within 3 hours. So I'm going to come back in 1 hour and see how they both look. In the meanwhile, I'm going to be spraying all these other weeds in the lawn and see how he does. Alright, so I actually got some Bermuda right here that kind of comes out here and there. So we're going to go ahead and spray it and see if it's able to kill the Bermuda. In exactly an hour, let's check out what it looks like. This is the Spectracide. Now this one did say it will take 3 hours, so I can't really see too much of a difference on this one. Now let's check the Spruce. Yeah, you can definitely see all the damage is already caused. The leaves are already shriveled up, especially right in here. You see how they're more droopy now. I'm very surprised, to be honest. Oh, let me get out of the way so you guys can see a little better. Yeah, see how it looks like it's already dying. So like I said, it's exactly an hour, and so far the Spruce is doing a very good job. Let's look at the other spots I sprayed. Right here also, as you can see, they're already drooping down. The actual Bermuda grass, can't tell too much, just very little. Still looks its regular self. But Bermuda grass is actually very difficult to get rid of. Let's see this little patch right here is kind of looks like it's been damaged. But yeah, I'll come back in a few days and we'll see the final results. Okay guys, so this is 4 days after applying the weed killer. So let's start off with the spectricide first. As you can see, it's completely dead now. Well, pretty much. There's still a little bit right here, but it's already dead. Next, we're going to show the spruce. As you can see, this one's also pretty dead. There's some green here, but I mean, it's basically dead, guys. Next, we will just, pull this off very easily and throw it away. So it performed really well for this. Let's check out the other areas I sprayed. Here's the other one I sprayed. And as you can see, this one's also completely dead. Now over here, for these, it didn't do that great. As you can see, there is some damage, but it didn't kill it completely at this one. This one, very little damage again. That one's completely dead. To be fair, even the spectricide, if I do spray this, normally I use a garden hose to remove these. If I do spray them, it doesn't really do that great also, guys. But there was some damage to this one. Let's check out the other areas. Okay guys, here is the Bermuda where I sprayed that. As you can see, it's all dead pretty much, except this little part right here. But the rest pretty much completely dead. Let's check the other little areas I sprayed. Right here, it's dead. Little damages. And over here as well. So I did pretty good for the Bermuda. Like I said, it is more difficult to kill the Bermuda, I've noticed. But it did a pretty good job. Alright, so there you have it. That's the spruce weed killer, and honestly, it works really well. When I did the 1 hour test, surprisingly, this looked like it caused way more damage than the spectricide. But after the, what is this, 4th day? I said third or 4th day. I'm trying to remember. They both look very similar. They both work well. This one does promote it's safe for use around people and pets. So if you prefer to use this one, like I said, you can guys go ahead and purchase this yourselves. I'm gonna leave the link below. Or if you guys still prefer the spectricide, just because it's more bang for your buck, I guess you can say. Like I said, you get way more for the price in this. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.